Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day. Today, I'm so excited because I am part of the Best of British Junk Journal. It's a collaboration that's been pulled together by the lovely Rachel from Rachel and Bella Craft, and this collaboration is to feature an amazing team of UK YouTube creators. So the kind and lovely Rachel invited me to take part, and I'm very delighted to do so because this collaboration just showcase brand new and also established YouTube creators, YouTube channels that are UK based. Okay, so it's very excited. So thank you so much, Rachel, for inviting me. I'm over the moon. So the collaboration feature a pair of artists. So each artist has got a partner. If you click on the hashtag Best of British Brits JJ Junk Journal. So if you click on the hashtag on the title, will take you to a playlist where you can see all the videos from previous collaborators. So this collaboration has begun on the 12th of September 2025 and showcased a fabulous digital papers that be created from Rachel and Bella Craft. All links are listed in the info box, and also you can visit Rachel and Bella Craft website, which is www.rachandbellacraft.com, so you can see all the digital papers available. Okay, so today is the 7th, that's my day here, the 7th of October, and my collaborator is Megan from the Paper Mill. So Megan has done a video yesterday, and I will put Megan's video linked in the info box as well as a link to the video, YouTube channel, Rachel and Bella Kits. Everything is going to be linked down below. Just a few notes about Megan. Megan is a mum of a 6-year-old boy, and she lived with sister and a 5-year-old nephew. Megan creates digital and sell them on her website and Etsy, and she's got a lovely YouTube channel, so please go and subscribe. So now today I'm going to recreate one of Megan's video. Gonna make some pockets from book pages, so keep watching. Okay guys, so welcome back to my desk. So the starting point, let's get 3 pages, 1, 2 and 3, from an old book. And then what we do, so keep those 3, in fact let's glue them now because I think it's easier. So Megan didn't glue them at the end, but I think I'm going to do that first for no reason, but I think it's quicker and I think it's easier if the pages are attached to one side. So just need to make sure they all, let's do it this way. So now that I separate them, yeah, so that's that. And then last bit, I mean you can use glue, but as you know I am a quick crafter and I like dry adhesive because it's immediate and then there is no room for mistakes because you put the adhesive right exactly where you want it to be. The glue sometimes can expand in different parts that shouldn't. So that's why I got a very big stash of double-sided tape in different sizes and width. Right, so they all glue into this side, so you got the 3 pages attached. Okay, so start from the first one. So we're gonna create a corner. Okay, so I think we're gonna stop there. Fold it. Second one, again, you can measure if you are precise and you want to leave the same gap, but no, I'm not. Okay, and then last one like so. Okay, so we got it 1, 2 and 3. So what am I going to do, and I'm going to do off camera because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. I'm going to use my Distress Oxide ink, and I'm going to ink all the pages. Okay, so you end up having something that looks like these. So what we're going to do now, we're going to glue them, all the triangles down. So start from the first one. I'm just going to put a little piece just on this far corner, because that's where is needed. There. So I'm just going to start from the outer triangle and work your way in, because it's quicker and it's easier. Come on. Okay. So fold it down. So this is one pocket. Then we do the same with this triangle. As I said, just on the corner. One. Lift the other page up, and then you just glue this down, and then the last one will be on this bit here. Just very, very simple. Okay, so that's your one pocket, second pocket, and third pocket. Now, I'm gonna give you a couple of options. In her video, Megan used the pocket this way. Okay, so she folded, which I probably am going to do. Although I quite like them be like, no, I think I'm gonna keep mine this way up. So Megan folded. I don't want to do it because I don't want to create a crease. So fold it like that, so your pockets are this way, and then you can use this to glue it down, or as a little flap to your journal page, so you can decide. Or you can just simply trim it and then just glue it down like so. So I'm just gonna use mine like that. So what we need to do to make sure they stay as a pocket, we need to glue this side down as well. So start from the second pocket, just put a little bit of double-sided tape. So that is going to be attached to that. So that's the first pocket. And then we're going to put an adhesive on the first pocket, like so. And then we're gonna do it like so. Okay, so you've got one pocket there, one pocket there, and one pocket there. Now, I don't like this space here, this sort of gap here, so I'm going to trim it. Get my trimmer out. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little bit of double-sided tape on the bottom here, so we seal the pocket completely. Okay, so now the pockets are done. So you've got 1, 2, and 3 on the back when you glue this into your journal, and then on the bottom it's completely sealed. Okay, so nothing will, if I put my pen in, see, it stops there. Okay, so now let me show you the papers from Rachel and Bella's craft that's been designed for this collaboration, and then I'm going to use exactly those papers to decorate my page. So these are the papers that I'm going to be using across my 2 videos. I love these collages. So all the papers and the ephemera pack, look at that. This is probably one of my favorite ever page. I will put all the link of the kit down below in the info box, so you can go and purchase it and support Rachel and Bella Craft. Okay, so I have trimmed this little bit here, and I'm going to position it on my pages, on my page there. But I also wanted to see what's on the underneath, because of course we don't want to lose that fold there. So I'm trying to fold it following the 3 pockets that are on the bottom there. Perfect. Just like so. Then I trim it. Get my trimmer out. Perfect. I'm just going to put, again, loads and loads and loads of double-sided tape. And I think I might put, I think I got some of my embellishment. I'm looking down my ephemera box that sits on my right hand side. So I'm just trying to find something to put on the front, or I might use some of the ephemera actually from the kit. I'll have a look. Okay, so let's just make sure. Okay, ta-da. Okay, can put this away. Put this in the bin, and I'm just searching. Oh, I like this. So this is an old video of mine we made a while ago with my initial, of course. So I think I'm gonna trim it down a little bit because I think it's too big and I don't want to lose the teapot. So I'm just going to get a little frame. But because the teapot is blue, I'm going to add, I think it's going to be quite nice in the corner there. I don't want to cover it. Let's trim the oval. Yeah, I'm happy with that because I can just sniff this in there. But I also want to use one of the stamps from the ephemera pack. I need my scissors. This is my post stamp scissors. Which one should we go for? It's got to be blue. So either that one, or actually, because there is a teapot, let's put the teacaps. The other way around. Okay. So I'm gonna do like a mini collage, like so. Yeah, let's do that. Just gonna put this on the very top, like so. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna put the teacaps. Might trim it down a little bit. It's a bit too big. Just on this side. Yeah, perfect. A little bit of double-sided tape. And that is it. Let me clean the desk. Let me move everything out of the way. That's some bit rubbish. But it's it. Okay, that is done. 1, 2 pockets. What do you guys think? Super easy to make, so fun, and then you can make it in any sort of direction that you wish. Okay, guys, I'm going to go big thumbs up if you like this video, because it really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Don't forget to go and subscribe to Megan from the Pepper Mill, and Megan's all the links are listed in the info box. And last, a large, huge, big thank you to Rachel from Rachel and Bella Craft for inviting me to join this collaboration. I'm very excited to be part of this fabulous collaboration to support British crafters. And then if you click on the hashtag, that takes you straight into a playlist that you can see all the videos that other British crafters have made that have been part of this collaboration. So very fun. So you can, like a hop, so you can watch video by video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next video, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.